We interrupt this program with an emergency news coverage about an unknown illness. We bring you to our host, David. David? Breaking news! An unknown virus has spread through the city. We are currently under lockdown. We now bring you live to Dr. Dario in the lab. In order to understand what this illness is, we must understand what cells are. Specifically, eukaryotic and prokaryotic. As you can see, eukaryotic has significantly a lot more things than a prokaryotic cell. For example, like nucleus and membrane-bound organelles, etc., etc. Prokaryotic, on the other hand, do not have many of these things. But even though they have their differences, they do have some similarities, like DNA and cytoplasm. Viruses do not have anything in common with these cells, but bacteria does have one thing in common, and it is DNA. Which cell came first, prokaryotic or eukaryotic? Fossil evidence indicates that prokaryotic cells first existed on Earth prior to the arrival of the eukaryotes. Cool. Can we get to the illness? We're kind of running low on our budget. What's that? We don't have a budget. Huh. Well then, proceed with the illness. Of course. You figured out what the illness is? Interesting. I shall notify them right away. I have just gotten word that this is 100%, without a doubt, a virus. Due to it resisting to antibiotics and responding to vaccines, we have figured out that it is also the measles virus. So please, go get a vaccine, or else the virus will enter your cells using its viral receptors and use you as a copy machine with its RNA, or genetic information, to make more of itself and infect more cells and possibly more people. So, how can someone tell if they have the virus? Early symptoms do include fever, cough, runny nose, red and watery eyes, white spots in mouth, red spots on skin, while late symptoms show small but raised bumps on top of the flat red spots on the skin. Spots may become joined together as they spread across the body, and extremely high fever. Well, thank you for being on our show today, and helping us resolve this unknown illness to be a virus. And thank you for wearing a mask. You're welcome. Well, thank you all so much for tuning in on tonight's show. And as always, I'll see you all in the next report. Bye-bye!